we are going to talk about the verbs that ends with AR.
Okay, and probably next video we're gonna talk about the ERs, and the following video would be the IR verbs. But today we want to talk about the verbs AR. Now, if you know this, guys, almost all of them, I can tell you probably 90% of the verbs ends with AR. So if you get this one, it's gonna be really easy for you later on, because the only thing that you need to learn would be the endings. And I'm gonna go more through it during the video. Now, I wanna give you some verbs first, so you know what are the verbs that really ends with the letter AR and what's that about. Okay. Sometimes when you want to learn the language, you don't want to know what is a regular verb, irregular verb, infinitives, and things like that. You just want to know how to change it or how to conjugate it. And that's the thing that we're going to learn today. You don't have to worry about this is regular or irregular or whatever. Don't worry about it. Let's just focus on the verbs that are going to work for us. And I'm going to give you a few. I have my notes here. Okay. For example, the verb hablar. The verb hablar is to talk. Trabajar, to work. Estudiar, to study. Esquiar, to ski. Limpiar, to clean. Montar. Or if you're on your bicycle, also montar en bicicleta o montar a caballo. Bailar, to dance. Caminar, to walk. You got it. Cantar, oh, to sing. Dibujar, to draw. Escuchar, escuchar música, right? You can use that. Nadar, nadar, to swim. Pasar, the verb pasar, we use it when you want to say that you spend time with your friends. Por ejemplo, pasar tiempo con los amigos. También el verbo patinar, you're skating. Practicar deportes, right? That's practicar, to practice sports. Tocar, de tocar la guitarra. And tomar el sol. Tomar, we don't drink the sun, right? Tomar el sol, that would be when you want to go and tan yourself on the beach. Awesome. Okay, so those are some examples, guys, of very useful verbs that we use them all the time. Okay, and now I'm gonna teach you how to conjugate it depending of the person. For example, in English, you say I, you, he, she, it, and so on. Okay, in Spanish, that would be different. And I want you to look at this side or this side. I don't know where I'm gonna put it at the end, or it's a complete screen. Okay, you're gonna see it that we're gonna have a chart like this. So just look at this. So on this side, we are gonna write the first conjugation. But let me tell you, this side is singular. Singular. Singular is only one. And on this side, we are gonna write a plurals. All the conjugations that are plurals. Okay, on the singular, we're gonna put on the first one. Yo, I. And then on the bottom, we'll put tú, you. On this one, the third one, we're gonna put él, ella, and usted. the formal way of saying tú. And on the plural side, of course, they're going to be more than two people, right? When we refer to more than two. For example, nosotros, that would be we. Vosotros is the way that people from Spain speak, okay? When it's informal, it is also the same thing as saying you all. You all, okay? Which is vosotros. Now the last one is nosotros. Nosotros. Nosotros would be, no. Not nosotros, I'm wrong. Ellos. Ellas, in feminine. And ustedes. Now, in South America, we use a lot ustedes. Ustedes, that would be the formal way to say you all. Okay? So you are going to choose, guys, how you want to learn your Spanish. For me, guys, it would be just easy to remove totally vosotros and just use ustedes. But I don't know if you want to use vosotros because you wanna sound yourself cool, right? And in Mexico and South America, we use the personal pronoun ustedes because we are very formal. We speak very formal. And for every single person, if you're plural, we will use the formal way. That would be ustedes. But you choose, okay? Alrighty. So that's our personal pronouns. Now let's go and do our conjugation. Now, we're gonna do exactly the same chart on this side. Now, since we have yo, the way we're gonna conjugate, and let's use the verb hablar. Okay, we're gonna conjugate the verb hablar. Hablar. The way we do it, that would be removing AR right there. And we just get the stem of the verb, hablo. That's it. Remove the AR and then adding the conjugation. And this is how we say, yo hablo. So we add the letter O. Tú hablas, adding the complete AS, hablas. Él, ella, o usted, habla. Right here, we're just gonna add A, habla. And nosotros hablamos. We will add amos to the word hablar, okay? Hablamos. Vosotros habláis. With the accent on the I, okay? So we would add I's. And the last one with ellos, ellas. And ustedes, we use hablan. So we add an at the end, okay? Now let's practice it. Yo hablo. Tú hablas. Él habla. Él habla. Ella habla. Usted habla. Nosotros hablamos. Vosotros habláis. Ustedes hablan. Ellos hablan. Ellas hablan. There. We have our conjugation of the verb hablar. It's the same thing as saying I speak, you speak, he speaks, ella, she speaks, we speak, and they speak. Okay, it's the same thing as saying that. I'm just gonna conjugate the verb. Now, I'm gonna give you a few more practice, and then you're gonna go and do your own. I wanna know that you really got this. And at the end of the description, I want you to tell me if you did good in all of them. if you have questions, also you can put it on the description and ask me whatever you need, guys, okay? Now let's go and do the verb trabajar. Let's practice and conjugate the verb trabajar. Okay, the first thing that we do would be remove AR, right? So we have our chart. And let's work with our endings, okay? So the first one we already know is yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, ellos, ellas, y ustedes. Now, if you learn the position of where they are, it would be even better and easier for you the time that you speak, because you know where are they where are they located. You know that yo is right here on the top and then ellos on the bottom, and so you get to familiarize to the position of where in the chart are, and then with the endings. Okay, I'm gonna just put the endings right here so you know what is the words or letters, not the word, the letters that you're gonna add. Okay, so on this one is O and tú, AS, A only, and then en nosotros, amos, en vosotros, ais, y en ellos, ellas, en ustedes, AN at the end. And this is how is our chart. Now, let's work with trabajar. If I want to say I work, how do we say it? Good. Yo trabajo. Perfect. What if I want to say tú, you work? You work. Start thinking, guys. Tú trabajas. Very good, because we're adding AS at the end. But what about if I want to say she works? Ella trabaja. Great. Perfect. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a ver. You want to say we work. How do we say it? Nosotros trabajamos. We work. Muy bien. Now try to say we all, no, you all, informal way, not formal, informal, with your friends. You all work. How do you say that? Vosotros trabajáis. Now, what about if we want to be very formal? Okay, because we're talking to the president or the governor, and we want to say, you guys, you work a lot. Ustedes trabajan mucho, a lot. Okay, very good. Now we conjugated the verb trabajar. Now, it's your turn to practice. I'm gonna put a few examples. You do your work, and at the end, I'm gonna give you the answers. Okay? Thank you, guys. Follow the next slide. Okay, guys, now look at the answers. Let me know in the description below how many correct you got, or you got all of them correct, okay? See you in a while. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver mi video. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is the end of the video. If you have questions, please let me know on the bottom. Give it a thumbs up give it a like, and hasta luego. See you later.